Hello, Avon by Wacky here. I'm doing a blue eyeshadow look. So far, I put my primer on. I put number 1, the light colour in this Smouldering Blues eyeshadow, all over my lid, up to my brow bone. I then went to put this blue, number 2, which is cornflower blue, just up into the crease and slightly bottom. I'm now going for number 3, which is a matte grey, on a large brush to give definition. Now, the reason I've started again is I kind of got to press record. So, in the crease, down to the corner, in the crease, down to the corner, bringing it up. Get some more to do the other side. I'm not going to go too mad because it is daytime, believe it or not. Into the crease, bring it down. Into the crease, bring it down. Now my eyes are beginning to hood, so I need to bring it up a bit more to the corner. And get my blending brush. Then blend, blend, blend. Just blend it out. Now when you wear glasses, your eyes become even more important, so you can get away with a slightly stronger look on your eyes. What do you think? Put my glasses down. It's quite a strong look. Makes me look awake, I quite like it. However, not quite finished yet. It's too white in the eyes, so I need a slightly smaller brush because I'm going to bring the grey further in towards the centre of my eye. So it's going back into the grey. See? The matte grey and Smouldering Blues. And just dot it so it goes over the centre of the eye. Because you're going to blend. Look straight into the eyeshadow mirror. A bit more. I'm very cat-handed today. A bit more in the crease. A bit more in the crease. Back to blending it out. Of course I've dropped my blending brush. Make sure you wipe the excess off and then blend out. It's all about the blending. Sounds like a coffee advert, doesn't it? Because blending it out softens the whole look. Now I can't make up if I look like I've got black eyes or not. However, I haven't finished. Then back into the white. Dot, dot. Dot, dot. To wake myself up again. Now, this is why I use my fingers. I find it easier. Now, again, I wear glasses, so the look has to be more pronounced. What do you think? I'm quite happy with that look for this day. Sorry, the post made me jump. Now I need an eyeliner. You could go for grey, you could go blue, and I have there's an emerald there. I don't want emerald. I like these glue stick eyeliners. I've got 2 emerald. Now I did bring a Starry Night one in, but I can't find it. I need up to date lip liner. So I'm going to go for Black is Black. What make my eyes pop. Twist it up. Put that on the end. It won't work. still don't know if it's recording. Yes, it is. Right, eyeliners. Shall I attempt the famous winged eyeliner? No. I like to go on the waterline initially, which is underneath the lashes. Don't talk when you're trying to do, you poke yourself in the eye. Or shut your eyes and go in between your lashes. Initially. Then I go along the top of the lash. So when you put your mascara on, it also gives a look of thicker lashes. Back. I need to go back on that one. Don't press too hard. And again, underneath the lash line. And that gives the lashes a fuller look. Put that down there for a second. Hit pause. 1 second. Mascara. I'm back. Right, in June, Avon brings out the Mascara Primer. At last. Priming prepares your eyelashes the same as any other primer to receive the colour. Now, comes this white tube, like that. I need my mirror. And it puts, using this, your eyelashes will seem a lot longer. And see, it leaves a sort of white residue on your lashes. I've only just got this as a rep and I use it every time now. It's fantastic. I'm so glad they're bringing it out. Right, that is June brochure is coming out. Watch out for it. And it's a good special offer in there. Now my mascara choice from Avon is currently Unlimited. But before I put it on, I use my torture chamber. 1, 2, 3. Because it does help the eyelashes. And I'm only going to put one coat on today because I'm not going anywhere. Again, don't pump your mascara, twist it. If you pump it, you get air in it and it dries out a lot quicker. And you don't really want that. It's quite handy with the primer on because you see when you've actually got the product on your lashes. Again, twist, don't pump. Swap hands. I managed to get a hair in my eye. Bit more mascara. There we go. That's using the Smouldering Blues. It's a very grey look, but that's what I want today. Suits the weather we've been having. Now, it is very pronounced, but I've got hooded eyes. Means I'm losing my lid, and I wear glasses, so it looks very different when I put my glasses on. So they still stand out from my glasses. So, Smouldering Blue Quad, Unlimited Mascara, the new Mascara Primer coming out in June, and Black is Black lipstick. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, you can purchase them all from avonbywacky.co.uk. There's links in the video and down below. Bye for now.